Hello everyone, this is Joey.
And I'm Sarah X. Today we'll be showing you a charming sky villa right here at Seascape in District 4 of Singapore's Sentosa Cove. It's a luxurious 6,631 square foot, 2-story, 5-bedroom sky villa with an exclusive, breathtaking view of the sea and the Southern Islands.
This penthouse is going for $21.8 million. Inclusive of the interior design, Seascape Sky Villa easily stand out with an unparalleled out-of-this-world design and features. Come on, let's go.
Check it out.
Seascape is filled with amenities, including the private pool, steam rooms, a clubhouse, and so much more. For food and shopping, you'll find no shortage of options at VivoCity, Orchard Road, and Resort World, all within minutes away by car. At your convenience, you also have your Latitude Bistro and Walk 15 kitchen within walking distance. Within a 10 minutes drive, there are popular tourist attraction sites like Universal Studios Singapore, Sea Aquarium, and Sky Luge, where you can spend time with your family engaging in recreational activities during the weekends.
Upon entering this beautiful unit from your very own private lift, you'll be taken away by the 270-degree view that you are going to be getting because of these all-encompassing windows that surround this open living concept area. You can see that there's very classy cove lighting, accent wood walls, polished marble floors, and a really nice modern aesthetic that gives you both that sense of luxe and a really nice well-being that you can host, you can chill, you can do anything you want in this space. You can see that this living room area is very unique because it is round. It is really ideal for hosting maybe a good number of 20 guests even in this space. You can see that this sofa alone can fit 8 to 10 people, and there's another sofa over there that can fit another 4 to 5. And not to mention that you have a beautiful balcony outside if you wanted to take in the views of the Southern Islands. Let's go to the other side where you'll be able to be greeted by a beautiful dining area and a dry kitchen. You can see that the ID has already created a very nice feature wall on that side to give visual interest. This marble-clad dining table has already been designed for you. There's a solid marble leg as well at the bottom. And this beautiful pendant light gives a really romantic feel to this entire space. So while you're here, you can dine with 8 guests in total, and you can serve them really easily because the dry kitchen is just over here. On one side, you have really huge fridges. You have a wine chiller, microwave, and on that side, you have your dry kitchen cooking area with an induction stove, an oven, and a wash-up area. Now, don't be concerned if you have heavy cooking because we do have a wet kitchen that's actually right behind here. It's concealed around the corner.
Moving into the hallway here, you will notice there is a wet kitchen connected to the helper's room and its own balcony. Walking over the study area, you'll find yourself your very own large lap pool standing at 51 square meters, complete with a spa jet, sun deck for you to relax and sunbathe in the day. And before we head up to the next level, we have a recreational area which allows you to host more guests or parties whatever you prefer. This area also connects with 2 bedrooms. Both bedrooms comes with ensuite bathroom and full-length windows that allows you to enjoy the view of Sentosa. In total, there's 4 common bedrooms, 2 on this floor and 2 on top. So let's head up. For these common rooms on top of a level of Penthouse, you will notice how spacious these rooms are, and as mentioned before, all the common bedrooms come with an ensuite bathroom. Moving on towards a full-length window, even for a common bedroom, there is a large balcony connecting to your next room.
Welcome to our very own walk-in wardrobe that's part of our master bedroom suite. You can see that there's more than ample space for your own clothes as well as your partner's clothes. I also like that there are compartments in this drawer that you can fit all your ties or scarves or jewelry. And right in the middle, there's enough space for this cute little poof. I get to sit on this poof. In the case I can't decide what to wear, I need a break. This is where I sit down. Right opposite this walk-in wardrobe is this beautiful attached bathroom that comes with a his and hers vanity sink. This is the investment you need to make in your toilet, in your bathroom. And facing the sea view, just out there, I get a beautiful view of the calm and tranquil southern China Sea. And over here you have the WC, which is concealed. And not many people have this. It's usually only in hotels where you have a bidet. In the case that you don't really want a bath soak, you can also get a shower in this beautiful shower compartment that comes with a rain shower fitted for you in the ceiling. Alright, we saved the best for last. This is your master suite. Ooh. You can see over here that we have a really high ceiling, which is about 4.5 meters tall, which gives you a really nice sense of space and airiness. Not to mention you have full glass windows all around, giving you that 270-degree view of the greater Southern Islands. You also have right here a very well-designed cove area for your master bed. Really nice cozy lighting as well for you to dim up and down. And on the other side, you have a big enough space to put your own personal study. Now everyone knows that we all work from home about at least once or twice a week these days. So if you didn't want to go all the way downstairs, this is perfect for having, your business meetings, checking your emails right from the comfort of your very own bedroom. Thank you so much for watching our home tour here at this incredible sky villa at Seascape. If you're interested to find out more about this unit, contact us at Keep It Real Estate to find out more. Once again, I'm Sarah X Miracle.
And I'm Joey, signing off. See you next time.